Good morning. Okay, I'm going to explain to you how to solve your morning work problem for today. So it says, Warren made the table shown on the right to show the weights of his 4 pet hamsters. Which table represents the same information? So we can see here that these are labeled as fractions and we need to represent them as decimals. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and write them as decimals and then find the answer choice that matches my work. So let's review our place values real quick. So we have our decimal place here. We know the digit in front of the decimal place is going to be our ones place. The digit directly behind our decimal is going to be the tenths. And then the decimal place, or the place value behind that, is going to be the hundredths. So this fraction here, we would say it 4 tenths. So that means that we would put a 4 directly behind the decimal. Oh, can you see my decimal? There you go. Okay, so let's go through our answer choices and see which one matches. So F, that one looks good. H, no, that 4 is in the ones place. It cannot be H. G, yeah, that looks great. And J, no, cannot be J because that 4 is in the hundredths place. So it cannot be J. So we're looking at either F or H. Okay, so now let's look at Gaga. This fraction would be said 3 tenths. So we would do decimal place, or decimal point 3. So let's go through. Let's see, Gaga, yep, for F, that looks good. And G, that looks good. Now let's look at Coco. That, we would say that 2 tenths. So that means we're going to put the 2 in the tenths place, so directly after the decimal. So let's look at F, Coco, looks good. G, looks good. Okay, so now we're on Lulu. So we would say Lulu, 25 hundredths. So that means that we want to put that behind our decimal, a 2 in the tenths place, and a 5 in the hundredths place to make 25 hundredths. So F looks good. G, though, says 2 and 5 tenths. So that cannot be correct. So the correct answer is F. Go ahead and solve this second problem on your own. Remember, you should have all of this up to Wednesday done for today. I hope you have a great day.